FineGuide is a platform that provides AI virtual assistants for any business. You can create your own assistant that can learn the content of any website, document, or even spreadsheet and provide instant insights. Our assistants have the highest accuracy rates on the market, making them more reliable. FineGuide has predefined roles such as customer support, sales assistant, or tech support. Each role has predefined behavior rules. A sales assistant will try to suggest product or generate leads, while tech support will try to help with technical issues. But that's not all. FineGuide assistants can provide widgets such as YouTube videos, weather, and even financial widgets. FineGuide also supports human escalation by going to Contact Support in the top menu. When users open a ticket, you will be notified by the platform. We also support integration with Zendesk and Help Scout. This allows a smooth integration in case you are already using these platforms. Hi, in this video, I will guide you through the process of creating your first assistant. Let's get started. As you log into FineGuide, click on Assistants in the left menu. From here, click on Create Instant Assistant. Let's start with picking an avatar first. By default, FineGuide picks a random picture from our images library. You can also upload your own image. Let's pick a custom image for my assistant. Next, pick a name or generate a random name using the refresh button to generate a new name. In the company field, you need to enter the entity which the bot will represent. Our assistant buddy, for example, represents FineGuide. This field will let the assistant know the entity it represents. Let's move to Role field. This field will define the assistant behavior. Each role has a predefined configuration, which defines the behavior of our assistant. A sales assistant's goal is to identify the best product for the customer. A customer support assistant will try to gather information and suggest solutions, and so on. In case you need to define your own rules for the assistant, you can choose Generic Bot option. This option doesn't include any behavioral rules and can be modeled by the user after the assistant is created. Next, select the model of the assistant, which represent the language model used. By default, we're using the basic model. The model represents the brain of the assistant. Once all this is completed, click on Create Assistant.
Thanks for watching, and be sure to check product link in the video description below.